With all your contracts data aggregated to a centralized point of management, Medius Contract Management gives you complete visibility of all your contracts with a flexible, modular dashboard. You can easily build a highly configurable interface simply by dragging and dropping the widgets. You can also drill into detail for a deeper analysis of information, such as contract types, status, expiration and renewal dates, by hovering over any data on screen. Want to find a particular piece of information? Do a basic text search or filter through your metadata using the powerful filtering functions. Creating and amending contract records is easy using the configurable preset templates. And once a draft is submitted, Medius Contract Management will route it into the right person for approval, and you can leave feedback or grant approvals using any device. And with full DocuSign integration, users can request signatures and sign contracts on screen anytime, anywhere, and from any device, avoiding error-prone and time-consuming scanning and printing. And with just a few clicks, you can create relationships between contracts, add variations, or link agreements and subcontracts to frameworks. Users can set automatic reminders for occasions such as contract start date, review date, or expiration date, to make sure that they will never miss any contract renewals again. You can also create tailored embedded reports that provide employees and stakeholders with fully configured, real-time information. Ask for a full demo today.